Hello there, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had the disappointment of visiting a restaurant that you haven't been to for a long time and ordering something thinking it would still be the same, the taste would still be the same? Well, that's what happened to me a few years back when I visited South Africa. I was craving some KFC coleslaw. So I sat down with my food and I opened up the coleslaw. And folks, what I tasted was not the same as what I can remember growing up. It was chunky, they had a substandard type of mayonnaise in it. It did not taste like the proper KFC coleslaw. So, you know me, if I can't get it, I'm gonna go make it. So why don't you join me in the kitchen as I show you how to make the original KFC coleslaw. I'm Colin, and this is Culinary Delights.
So here's what you'll need: half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, and half a cup of mayonnaise. In a bowl, add all the ingredients, then begin to whisk it all together. You'll notice that mine seems a little bit darker because of the type of pepper that I'm using. It's actually a pepper powder as opposed to ground pepper. However, any black pepper will do. So just combine it and whisk it all together until it's all incorporated. Using a food processor, chop up around about 3 cups of cabbage. Once this is done, you want to grate up 1 carrot, which will be roughly about 1/3 to 1/4 cup. Add the cabbage and the carrots together in a bowl, mix it together, and once it's fully incorporated, add all of the dressing to this and just begin to blend it together. As you've noticed, my dressing is a little bit dark. That's because of, once again, the black pepper. But don't worry about that. It will come together and it will resemble the original KFC texture and look at a later time once it has stood for a while. As you can see, this has all just come together and it really looks really amazing. And there we go, my friends. Perfect KFC coleslaw. This is just the perfect recipe for the original KFC coleslaw. I'm going to give it a taste now and see how I did. That is good. That tastes just like the original KFC coleslaw. Now that is lekker. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and also the notification button, and I'll let you know when there's a new recipe coming up. Have a great day.